guys. Now, I know I said we're gonna be starting off slow and small with Magnolia Pearl. It's not what happened. We just love it so much. We really have a lot and they're all beautiful. I am showing you a sampling of the categories of what just came in because one piece is more beautiful than the next and we'd be here forever. New t-shirt dresses. Yes, there are more. New camis. They are, I've got to come in. You've got to see. They're just beautiful. Wear now alone, wear in the fall under a blazer. I'm loving this. Jackets. Reversible, gorgeous. Just take a look at that dress. And the colors. The colors. Can we just talk about that? And now we'll go back to new t-shirts. Fun, locals only, so that's great. Wherever you are, you're a local. Fun sweatshirt. Fantastic. Oversized boyfriend t-shirt. They show it to be worn backwards. Wear it however you're comfortable. You're having a party, you want to welcome your guests. All about the pineapple. It does mean welcome. Such cute rompers. And then the bottoms. Minor denim in colors and prints. Applique. Remember, all one size. This is so much fun. And I can't resist. Okay, they're really cute. And yeah, I did just say that out loud. Okay, gorgeous, right? Just gorgeous. New drop of Magnolia Pearl. If you've not worn it, try it. If you have, hop on that website. Until next time.